In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey form with Beehiiv. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, how to add clear questions, and where your results will appear once your survey is live. This is perfect if you want to collect feedback, learn more about your readers, or validate ideas directly from your audience. Start by opening your Beehiiv dashboard. This is your home base where you manage your publication, subscribers, and all the tools that help you grow. From here, look for the Audience section in the main navigation. Audience is where all subscriber-related features live, and it's the quickest way to get to your survey tools. Click Audience to open that area, then choose Surveys. This takes you to the place where you'll manage everything related to surveys. If you haven't created one yet, you'll see an option to get started right away. Click Create Your First Survey. This opens the form builder where you'll spend most of your time crafting the questions your readers will see. The builder is designed to be straightforward so you can focus on asking the right things without getting lost in settings. Now select your preferred question type and add your question. Choose the type that best matches the kind of response you want. For example, multiple choice for quick, structured answers, a rating scale for satisfaction levels, or short text for open-ended feedback. Keep each question clear and specific, use simple language, and ask only one thing at a time to avoid confusion. If you're offering choices, make sure they're mutually exclusive and collectively cover the likely responses. When you're satisfied, click Add Question to insert it into your survey. You can repeat this process to build out your full set of questions, keeping the survey concise so more people complete it. As you add questions, you'll see your survey appear in the builder. This gives you a real-time view of how everything looks to your readers, helping you spot awkward wording or long blocks of text before anyone sees it. On the other side, you'll have a space dedicated to results. Once your survey is published and responses start coming in, this area will populate with your data. You'll be able to review answers at a glance, understand patterns, and quickly learn what matters most to your audience without exporting anything. That's it. You've navigated from the dashboard to audience, opened surveys, created your first survey, added questions, and learned where your results will show. Keep your questions thoughtful and your survey focused, and you'll get meaningful insights you can act on right away.